From the station with the most local news in our West Michigan, Fox 17 News at 10 starts right now.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Josh Berry. First tonight, a student lawsuit will no longer keep Portage Northern from having its graduation on the date originally planned. A temporary restraining order on the school was lifted today. Our Marisa Oberle was in court today and has the update on those proceedings. Marisa.
Yeah, Josh, it's just the latest development in a story that we've been following for weeks now. Late last month, a student filed a lawsuit which argued that the district violate the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act, the Michigan State Constitution, and the U.S. Constitution after they scheduled graduation on the Jewish holiday of Shavuot. Now, the attorney for that senior also said that her family provided the school with a list of Jewish holidays and was notified in the past about scheduling conflicts. According to court documents, interim principal Nate Liedlow said he would inquire about other dates and expenses, but reportedly admitted to never intending to make those inquiries. Lawyers for Portage Northern disputed those claims in court today. They said officials only received 2 letters, none of which went to administrators themselves, nor indicated that the student wanted them to move the date. The district added that they are only obligated to make accommodations for events that directly impact a student's education, like a religious holiday falling on the day of an important test, not graduation, since the student would still receive her diploma. Ultimately, a circuit court judge ruled with the district and said the ceremony can again take place at the end of May, but he noted the decision should not be celebrated.
There's no good outcome here because it should have been a situation in which the religious beliefs were accommodated. It should have been a situation in which the request of relief from this court should have been done earlier so that it would have reduced any significant hardship on the part of other individuals. The court is in a very difficult position because I certainly sympathize with the plaintiff in this case and certainly respect her position in her religious beliefs and how she wants to adhere to those and will adhere to those. But I also have to consider the individuals who are also students and how this would affect their outcome in terms of their ability in total to participate.
And this evening, an attorney for the Portage student who filed that lawsuit issued the statement saying in part, quote, "Everyone should be uncomfortable with today's outcome. A student who worked hard to graduate from high school is being denied her right to attend graduation because of her religion. But this is just one issue in a much larger case about necessary policy changes within this district so that no Jewish, Muslim, Hindu, or other minority has to suffer the way that Ms. Coffron has." And attorneys for the school district declined to comment after today's hearing when we asked them if they would consider doing an interview. Meanwhile, those 2 parties will be back in circuit court in June to further discuss this lawsuit before them. However, separately, there is a portion of this case that is still making its way through federal court. A hearing for that portion of the lawsuit will be heard later this month. And of course, we'll keep you updated both on air and online with any new developments. Like we've said, this is something we've been following for the past few weeks, so there's a lot of moving parts. Reporting in the control room tonight, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.